Victorinox. This one has lock blade mechanism. Unfortunately, you cannot open it with one hand, otherwise for me it would be perfect. This good edge, let's see. Although it could cut, it cuts well. Okay, pull it, you can close it, so this one is for both hands, as this. This one is really good that it has hole. Is a toothpick, tweezers, and except of the knife, it has a good saw. You can see. Let's try with a bigger lock. This one. Done. Then the knife has scissors, which for me are not that much important because I have them on my keyring knife, the small Swiss knife classic SD, I think. Then what do we have? With the scissors out, you can take out the screwdriver. The bigger screwdriver. And here we have can opener. Fun Victorinox Outrider. This very good knife. Some things I'd never used as toothpick and the tweezers. I didn't have a need for it. This is good that it has a hole in it. When you are sewing, you can take the thread to the other side. This one you will use only when you are opening a bottle of wine, or if you need to put it into something and then pull it out. Here's the main part. If the blade would be one hand opening, for me would be perfect. Unfortunately it's not. Maybe you can see here a Victorinox Swiss made stainless steel. Maybe not. And it's patented lock blade mechanism. This is really good. So it's like full-size knife. The length is from tip, it's 8 centimeters. It's brighter, so it's wider, so it feels well in the hand. When it's cold, the knife is maybe too cold for me, but with the gloves it's not a problem, or for a short moments you can handle it, it's not that big problem. The blade itself is plain, it's really sharp. This is what I like about the original Victorinox, is that the blades are really good, really sharp, you don't have to take care of it. Then we have a saw, which also works really well. The saw is like 9 centimeters. As you could see, it works well, doesn't have locking mechanism, but yeah, you're always pushing it, so it won't close itself. Next we have scissors, which work also really well. When they are open, you can take out the screwdriver, the cross screwdriver. So first the screwdriver, then the scissors. Nothing happened, it just hurt it. Then we have a can opener, and a bigger screwdriver.